You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this American singer. If you want to learn more names of celebrities from music, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to learn from and listen to. Mike Posner, that's how he pronounces it. Some may say it as Posner. He pronounces it as Mike Posner, alright, so more of an O sound. Mike Posner. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.